My name is Kati and this is my channel. Welcome everybody to watch it. What happens in my lifestyle video. How are you? We fine, thank you. What's the weather? It's minus 18 Celsius degrees. Wintering and waxing moon here. Cold and wonderful sunrise. Like in northern evening. Welcome to a presentation. Today we are showing you a silk flower arrangement named the Yellow Fantasy. And introducing you sunflower sprouts, which are delicious and healthy food. My name is Kati and I'm your host today. Let me teach you more. It's on January. Sun will set 4:06 p.m. and sunrise was 9:08 a.m. I design biopsies. Because I believe in their power to heal us. The Yellow Fantacy Silkflower arrangement is for everybody who love to spend time between beautiful issues. Without light, fertilizer, water and care, with eternal joy. Shape of circle in a yellow clay pot. What could be more fascinated than blue sky? With bright half moon. The sunflower microgreens have hardy texture. Have 25% protein and hormone pollens, zinc. For sweet tasty salad. But also Easter and salvation is on our mind. The nearest church is not so far away. The hot chocolate timetable looks like this with miniature fancy cakes. Angels work around us. Life is continuing. Please forgive everybody globally. There are many good symbols for religion people who believe and help you. The climate is very cold in Nordic countries. Under box for growing lights, there are growing miracles, which remind us flash of new life in round egg-shaped. After Easter, we like newborn child. Every year till next Easter. That's why we celebrate Easter. And decorate ourselves with mini pastries, food for us, dolls and houses. How do you think about that? We can choose our own religion. It's worth of trying to grow your own food. Like the Holy Virgin Mary did in a convent garden about 2000 years ago. The Virgin Mary is Jesus Christ's mother always. Thank you for watching. We hope you love and share and order our channel. See you on the next ones and the previous ones. Please share or join to our channel. God bless you. We love you. Bye bye. Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel at Kati Makinen 8647. The script, photographs, the idea, poems and videos by @kati.makinen8. Welcome to our Instagram page to @kati.makinen8. Thank you.